In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your design file on Figma. Start by opening your design so we can set a clean foundation. Good file hygiene saves time, reduces confusion, and makes it easier for teammates and developers to find what they need without pinging you. First, create a consistent, branded cover page as the very first tab in every file. This is what shows up as the thumbnail in your project list. Keep it simple and clear. Include the project name, current status or approved, and a date or version. Use your brand colors and typography so your files look uniform across the team. Drag this page to the top so it's always the first thing people see. Next, establish a standardized page order so every file feels familiar. A solid flow is cover or info. Then a simple separator page to visually break sections, followed by explorations or playground. Then working, then components or icons, and finally archive. The cover or info page holds your project metadata and quick notes. The separator can be a minimal page with a bold label. Its job is purely organizational. Explorations or playground is where you rough things out and try ideas with low pressure. Working is your source of truth for finalized. Review ready designs, components or icons gathers reusable elements in one place. Archive is where old or deprecated work goes once it's no longer active. Within your working and exploration pages, use sections to keep related screens and flows together. Press Shift+S to draw a section around a set of frames. Name sections clearly, like checkout flow or profile settings, and add labels such as ready for development when something has been signed off. Sections make it easy to collapse, move, and share focused subsets of work. Adopt clear naming conventions for pages and frames so search actually works for you. Use descriptive names with key terms. Users will search for name. Keep names consistent and avoid cryptic abbreviations. For components, keep a dedicated page and consider publishing a team library for your design system. Organizing components by function, buttons, inputs, navigation helps everyone find and reuse them. And publishing ensures the whole team can pull updates reliably. Finally, maintain your file. Move outdated designs to archive regularly, and keep messy early ideas in the playground until they're ready to graduate into working. A few minutes of cleanup each week keeps your files fast, clear, and collaboration ready. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.